My name's Angela Hammond. I'm the National Coordinator for the Landcare Farming Program. The goals of the Landcare Program, very broadly, are to connect agriculture with all the resources they need to continue in this industry to manage their land well. So we aim to connect primary producers with good researchers and with collaborative opportunities across all of the organisations like Landcare, DAF, Department of Ag, MLA, for example, who are all doing good research, and we want to connect the primary producers with that research and opportunities going forward so they can actually use those tools that are being developed and the information that's being derived from the research and be able to put that into practice on their properties to continue to produce their products in an environmentally friendly way and actually continue to do it better and better all the time. Landcare Farming also aims to connect our agricultural communities for the sake of community resilience. So whether that's drought resilience, whether it's mental health resilience on the land, because it is a complex system that land managers are involved with. So the Landcare program currently has 3 projects running. So we've got the Natural Capital Accounting Project, we've got the Landcare Carbon Project, and we've got an Innovations in Ag project. So the Natural Capital Accounting Project is around building primary producers' language and understanding of biodiversity measurement. So the field day today here at Wirra is basically the final field day for their project in benchmarking. So just giving feedback from 2 other producers about their findings around natural capital, how they measured it, and what market opportunities they can see will arise from the data that they're collecting.
Hi, I'm Melanie Leather, Manager of Leather Cattle Co, and we're here at Wirra Station in Central Queensland. We did a webinar with Landcare, which was really about upskilling us and starting to, give us an idea what natural capital opportunities were all about. Landcare seemed a perfect fit for us. Their connection with the environment is palpable for everyone. So it was really good for us to be able to get through that webinar with Landcare, which then connected us with Accounting for Nature.
Natural capital accounting is as simple as you're accounting for your tax. So it is about measuring the natural capital on your farm or your primary production system and having that metric so that you can actually prove whether you're improving or not improving the condition of your land that you're managing.
I'm Melanie Shannon. I'm a grazier on our property Wirra, and we have beef cattle. What inspired us to pursue natural capital accreditation on our property was we really were looking at some physical changes that were occurring from our grazing management. So we'd first implemented time control grazing back in 2020, and since then we've been noticing an increase in ground cover and also an increase in the diversity of grass. So we really wanted to actually baseline that. We wanted to get a number on it. So the natural capital accounting was an opportunity for us to do that.
The journey of the new environmental markets that are emerging can be a bit frightening and confusing because it's not a language that on the land we're as comfortable with. But the main thing is to take a step, to jump into this and to know that organisations like Landcare are there to support you on the journey to start learning.
For us, we're a multi-generational farming family, so we've really got a responsibility for the future generations. So it's really important for us to be able to ensure that we are farming in a sustainable manner, that we're looking after our environment in a sustainable manner for that long-term future for our children and our grandchildren.
One of the wonderful things about these discoveries is being able to share them with our kids. They just really thrive on all of these new things that we're showing them, and I really do believe they're seeing the beauty. We're very grateful to now have all of this knowledge that we have, and we're sharing it with our girls.
Landcare Farming aims to be able to spread the news of what primary producers are doing on the land. Consumers can be confident that there is a transparency in what we're doing on the land to the extent that the consumer can be comfortable and proud knowing that the land is being managed well to produce what they need to be produced. My role is sort of to be like a Lorax for the primary producer, in that I take their message to Landcare, and those people understand that environmental management of the land is very important, but we still need to be able to implement production systems to feed and clothe our population, but it needs to be done in an environmental way. So it has been really important that now the focus is also going on the environmental side of things, and there's metrics being applied, and there's being rewards in production systems now for people that are doing it the right way.